FPS Gold has served community banks for over 50 years. With this unique perspective, FPS Gold truly understands that community banks play a vital role in our local communities and economies. FPS Gold is on a trek across the country to visit with the people that run these institutions and to discover great things happening in community banking.
I think the thing that's really great about Sheridan is this is a great place to grow up. I mean, this is still almost like Mayberry to grow up in.
The sense of a community that this town has is most significant I've ever seen in any place I've lived.
Like big events that happen here every year, the Sheridan YO Rodeo, the professional rodeo circuit comes through Sheridan. It's a week-long event. It's turned into something every single day.
We have the bed races, we have a street dance, carnival, all kinds of fun things happen.
If you haven't bought your pair of boots and a hat yet, you will eventually if you live in Sheridan, and dust it up annually to put it on during the YO Rodeo.
Mm-hmm. Yes, and we actually have a Bighorn Polo Club. You take a picnic, blanket, sit down, and a polo match is being played right in front of your eyes.
Wyoming is very, very strong economically because we have so much mineral industry here, mineral extraction monies for the arts, for fish and wildlife.
The state of Wyoming is very involved in education and they pay our teachers really well.
If you really want to enjoy and experience a true community feel, this is the place.
It was established in 1935 as a mutual bank by about 6 local business people that got together and started. It was really to start out home financing.
Today we're a full-fledged, full-service bank, so we've added a really strong commercial lending team. We've added a trust investment department, business banking. We're the #1 residential lender in town, so we make a lot of dreams come true for people.
To me, what's fun is to sit down and talk to people about what are you doing, where are you going, what would you like to do with your monies, and help them achieve their financial goals.
We are the only Sheridan-based bank that's here now. The rest of them are based out of somewhere else.
I think it's this long-term vision, and I think that's the other side of a mutual, that we have the ability to look long-term at things. So even in strategic planning, we take a long-term view. It's the biggest concern I see is a drive towards size. We've seen the large banks become even larger during the economic crisis, actually incredibly large. And we've seen smaller banks actually having significant troubles trying to keep up with the regulatory costs that have been spread to everybody.
I think we really have to keep up on the technology and look at what works for our bank and our community that is also going to work with the up-and-coming generation. I still feel that a personal touch, someone calling in and wanting to talk to a person and not having to go through an 800 number and a lot of different transfers is very important. And I think even going into the future, the generations that are coming up are still going to think that there's importance to that.